Hello, let's go ahead and make ham, egg, and cheese today. Let's go ahead and turn on my stove. I'm turning on both because I'm going to cook on one stove my toast and the other one I'm going to cook my egg. Okay, so we need some butter. Let's melt some butter. And then, once this warms up, we're going to cook 2 eggs. Let's melt the butter. Okay. Just gonna wipe that little butter on my bread. And we're going to use cheddar cheese today. You can use any kind of cheese you like. Just put the cheese on the side. The skillet is warming up. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil into my skillet. About a half tablespoon. And then my bread is on medium heat. So while that's getting ready, I'm going to cook my egg. Let's go ahead and have warmed up a little more. This is a very simple recipe. You can use, like I said, you can use any kind of bread, any kind of cheese, and literally any kind of ham. Today I have this ham from Trader Joe. I normally do like Trader Joe produce. Okay, let's crack the egg, 2 eggs. I'm gonna break the yolk. Okay. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt into my eggs and a pinch of black pepper. This is just a pinch. Okay. Just gonna check my toast. I want to have nice golden brown. It wouldn't hurt to add a little bit of butter again. As long as you have the real butter, do not worry about, oh, I'm adding too much. Do not worry about that, but do not use the margarine. Okay, the real butter is not going to hurt you, as long as you do not overeat it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna lower the heat a little bit. Let's grab my ham. I'm going to use about 2 slices. I'm just trying to separate it. What I can do instead of making a mess, I can just cut it in half. Just gonna warm it up like that. Okay, let's sneak underneath my bread. Looks nice golden brown. Okay, put that on the side. Get my ham warmed up. My eggs looks good. Flip my egg like that, and then I'll add my cheese into it. Just gonna separate these 2 eggs. Stir my cheese. That, let it melt. Flip my ham. I'm going to turn off my stove here. right, this looks ready to come out. Going to get my bread. So as you notice, this is the butter part. And then I'm going to flip that on my buttery part. The reason I toast it inside is make it nice and crunchy. Now you're going to add your ham on it, like that. And let's give a couple more seconds. I want the cheese melt nicely. Okay.
Turn off the stove, top this up over there.
Yeah, let's go ahead and turn off my stove there. I'm going to use my bread like that. Flip it over. And flip this over. Here's the ham, egg, and cheese sandwich. Let's slice this in half. All right. The moment of the truth, how the sandwich is looking inside. Let's cut this in half. Bread is nice and crunchy, nice and buttery, like that. This is the ham, egg, and cheese sandwich. I can give it a try. I cannot wait. Let's go ahead and give it a try. All right. It's very hot. This is very delicious. Excellent. I'm very happy.